guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. For us right now, it's lunchtime and I have been racking my brain on what to make, and I decided that I really wanted to make a tuna salad sandwich. So I thought, hey, I don't think I've shared that with you guys, so I thought I would take you along with me. It's really easy, it's delicious. And did I mention that it's easy and delicious? So if you want to see how it comes together, just keep on watching. Okay, so to make this, you're obviously going to need tuna. I'm only making enough for 2 sandwiches today. 1 can for me makes 2 really good sandwiches. You're going to need some lemon juice, mayo, pepper, salt, celery, and then a red onion. If you don't have a red onion, you can substitute just a regular yellow onion, but for me, the red one is golden. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dice up my veggies. So I want them pretty small because I don't want to be biting into a big chunk of a big chunk of onion when I am, you know, eating my tuna. So for me, like, because I'm only making 2 sandwiches, half of a half is enough. And then I'm going to do my celery. And I like to dice these pretty finely too. Just because, again, I don't want to be like biting into something like big. My onion and celery are nice and diced. I'm going to add this in. And I know it seems like excessive, but I really do like that flavor in my tuna. Oh my god, I forgot an ingredient. Hold on one second, I'll be right back. Again, baby brain. You're gonna need a pickle. So I have like a little rod here because, again, I'm only making enough for 2 sandwiches, so I don't want to overwhelm it. So I'm just gonna dice my pickle pretty finely, and we're gonna add that into our tuna. All right, here is all the veggies with my tuna. I'm gonna add in some mayo. I don't do a lot of mayo. I don't like it overwhelming. I'm gonna give this a mix before I go ahead and season anything. And then this way you can tell if you have enough mayo or not. Like I said, I don't like an overwhelming amount of mayo. I really like to taste the tuna. That to me is the star of the show and not the mayo. So look at that. Oh, it looks so good and it smells fantastic. So when I got pregnant, you get like a list that your doctor gives you of like foods you're not allowed to eat. And I was like so nervous because everybody said you are not allowed to eat tuna. When my doctor said I can have tuna as long as I make it, let me tell you, the pregnancy game changed at that point because I absolutely love tuna fish. For me, it's the easiest lunch ever. So the fact that I could eat it was incredible. Alright, so I gave this a nice stir, so let's finish up seasoning this, and then we can get started on eating it. Alright, it's nice and combined in there. I hope you guys can see. I don't need any more mayo. And you're probably wondering, why is my mayo in here? Funny story, I couldn't find mayo at the store, so I had my friend drop some off from her house. I'm going to do a little bit of salt, some black pepper. As you can see, I don't do a lot of seasoning. And then lemon juice for me is a must for tuna. Okay, and that is it. I'm going to give this a nice stir. And then I'm going to put this in the fridge for like 30 minutes to kind of let all the flavors gel together. And then I'm going to enjoy. Alright, I'm going to cover this, put it in the fridge, and then I'm going to make myself a sandwich for lunch. I hope you guys love this recipe. It literally is so delicious. I hope you guys give it a try. So easy. And again, take away what you don't like and add in what you do like. This recipe is kind of like a blank canvas. You just kind of add in what you feel like you like. But for me, this is like the perfect combination. It's so delicious. It's so flavorful. It doesn't overpower the tuna, so you can still taste it, but just together is just the perfect amount of everything. The recipe is going to be for you on thelazygirlskitchen.com. Make sure you go check that out. Make sure you subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.